Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a server on IONOS with the easy method. This is a great way to get your project up and running on its own special computer. Let's get into it. First, sign into your account. The first step is to log into the place where you manage your digital tools. You need to be inside your main dashboard to pick your new server. Go to the IONOS website and type in your secret name and your password for the session. Click on the Login button and wait for your main control screen to appear. You have to be inside your own private area so the computer knows who is asking for a new server for your project. Next, go to the Servers section. You need to find the specific area where you can buy or start new computers for your work. Look for a section on your screen that says Servers or Cloud for the task. Click on that section and look for the button that says Create or Add New. This menu is where all the computer power is kept. It ensures you're in the right place to build your project. Next, choose your server size. Now you're going to tell IONOS how big and strong you want your new server to be. Look at the different boxes that show prices and power. Pick the one that fits your budget and choose which operating system you want to use. Picking the right size ensures your server isn't too slow or too expensive for your work. It is the key step to getting the right output. Lastly, finalize and start. The final step is to name your server and tell the computer to start building it for you. Type a simple name for your server and click the Create button at the bottom for the session. Wait for a few minutes while the screen shows a loading bar as the computer gets ready. The computer is setting everything up so your server is ready to use. Once it is finished, you'll see a green light. Now your server is ready. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's pretty much it. To start a server in IONOS, you first sign into your account to see your dashboard. Then you go to the Servers section to find the build tools. Next, you choose your server size based on how much power your project needs. Finally, you name it and hit Create to let the computer build it for you. This process gives you a private computer in a cloud that stays on all the time. This straightforward plan makes sure your server projects are fast and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.